So this is Wonder Wonder. We're here in Bohol Beach Club. So this is our third time to visit this beautiful resort. So let's have a tour of our room here in the newly renovated Eco Rooms of Bohol Beach Club. So here's the view from our room. Hello. Thank you. Thanks, JM. Okay, salamat.
Hello, thank you. You're welcome.
Thanks, JM. Salamat. So here's our room. It's room 104. So as what I said, this is already an eco-friendly room. So let's take a room tour. Okay, so we have two beds here. One, I'm not sure if this is a queen bed. Okay, and one single bed. Okay, as I said, it's our third time here in Bohol Beach Club, and we used to stay in another building here in the resort. So surprisingly, this room is modern. Okay, so I love the design on its wall here. Your room comes with a service phone. There are the remotes for television. Then there's the double bed or queen bed. Then we have here the cabinet.
First, yeah, they're heading towards eco-friendly. So if you need the water, you can use this. And there is a water dispenser.
Okay, outside. I don't see it. Okay.
Like normal temperature water, cold and hot.
Okay.
Good. So hope you enjoy your stay.
Okay. So there's the LCD TV. Okay, there's a work area here. Okay, there's also a mini refrigerator. And there's the safe deposit box. Okay. There's a life-size mirror here. Okay, of course the room is air-conditioned. And let's go inside the toilet and bath. Okay. So here's the toilet and bath in this room. It's very clean. And there's a rain shower here. Of course, it's hot and cold shower. And the vanity area here. Okay, there's also a blower. So there you go. That's our room here in Bohol Beach Club. So I'm giving you a huge discount if you book on my link in the description box below. Again, this is the newly renovated eco-friendly room of Bohol Beach Club.